Is it on?
Now it is.
Alright. We've been hearing like crawling and like growls, I guess would you say?
It's me. You're the one that lives here, not me.
Like down in the basement, and since nobody else wants to check it, we're just gonna do it. Got some. The lights down there don't even work anymore, so that's why we're also.
We got a headlight, as you guys can see.
We got flashlight, or that's not the flashlight. But let's just go check it out, I guess. All right.
Actually, maybe leave it open just in case we get like things like it out or something.
That's true.
All right.
Doors open. Oh.
There's nothing out of the ordinary here. Over here.
Bro, that's not funny. I don't know why you're laughing.
All right. Here. Okay, so Ghostsmith number 1. That flame shit does not work. It's a little bullshit.
That makes me feel better at least.
It does make me feel better
like,
as well.
we still want to find out the problem. Like, it's probably an animal if you think about it.
Could be mice.
Yeah, that's true. Here, I got the light on that.
All right,
Ooh.
it's all out. Ghost attempt 2, turning on a radio and getting it to communicate through channels. All right, and then we'll pick this up in a second.
Hey. Did you even turn that on?
Here we go. We have, as you guys can see here, let me get me in here. We got the radio on.
Yep.
We're gonna try and do some shit. Whoa, that was actually weird.
Just ask the question. Let's
All right.
go.
Is there somebody down here with us today? That's just the signal. Here. I'm not even gonna touch it. Alright. Is there an apparition?
No.
Oh shit!
No. What the hell?
Oh.
Open that.
Shit, dude.
Actually, open that, bro. Is this a trick?
Dude, I can't get that shit open.
Dude. What do we do? I don't want to be down here.
Yeah, I don't know what to fucking tell you, dude.
Why would we do
I don't know
this
what to
when
fucking
no
tell
one's
you.
home?
I don't know what to fucking tell you. It was your idea. It was
not
your
my
fucking.
idea.
This is your house. I don't know this shit. But the thing is, okay, listen. Okay, your parents are gonna be home in like 20 minutes.
Not 20 minutes. They went to a casino, bro. That's like an hour away. Are you stupid? Like, actually, bro. Are you like mentally
Okay.
stupid?
Okay. Well, here's the thing.
This was my idea. Are you?
All right. It doesn't matter.
We
It doesn't
are
matter.
going to-
It does not matter. We're not gonna. Okay. What the f is that? Dude. What the f is that?
No.
What the f is that?
No.
What the f is that?
No, bro.
Dude,
bro,
that
bro,
is some.
bro.
I'm getting fucking out of here. I'm getting fucking out of here.
Don't
Dude, I'm gonna
leave
fucking
me.
break down. Okay, fine. But I
door
swear,
is locked. What are you
I'm gonna fucking break down that door. There's gotta. I am not going back there, but I can guarantee. There's gotta be like a wrench or screwdriver or something, dude. I'm not with that. I am not with that.
I'm actually not doing this, dude. I'm actually.
Yeah, I have no idea what the fuck that was about. Dude, yo, what the fuck is that?
Alright, you
fuck.
turned that off.
I did not turn that on. I have been standing here this whole fucking time.
Actually,
I have
turn it
been
off.
standing
Alright,
here
this
this
is
whole
a
fucking
joke.
time.
Actually, I'm not. Wait, why is it talking? The papers? What is that?
Dude, what the fuck?
Is this a joke?
Fuck is going on?
Oh,
Holy shit,
no,
okay.
no.
Yeah, fuck that. Fuck that.
Go
Fuck
over
that.
here or something.
Fuck that.
Actually.
Get out of here.
Dude, I don't want to be down here. Dude, actually. Why are you still
He's
recording?
okay. Here's the thing. He's gonna go back there.
Me?
You're going. I'm not fucking doing that. I went over. I invested the
Dude,
thing.
this is your
You're
whole
going back.
plan.
Yeah, this is not. Okay, listen. It was also your plan to come down here in the first place. I'm not going back on that. Here's the thing. You're gonna go back there. You're going to look for a screwdriver. We can get the door open and we can get out of here. Because last time I checked, I don't think ghosts and apparitions know how to stop a good screwdriver. All right.
If I die, no, this is your fault.
This is not. I did. Okay. Just fucking do it. He's got a headlamp too. He should be fine. All right. I don't know how. Dude, get up. Dude. Jesus Christ. Get up, 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 get